Hi guys, I am Bernardo Valerio Jr. and I will be your tutor in today's video. And our topic is proving through mathematical induction.
Let us first define mathematical induction. It is a proof technique most commonly used to establish a given statement for all natural numbers, although it can be used to prove statements about any well-ordered set. Mathematical induction is most commonly associated with dominoes. So the steps are very simple and easy. So let's get started. So our given statement is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to the end value equals n times the quantity of n plus 1 over 2. For our first step, the basis step, we let n equals to 1. Well, we just substitute the 1 to all the n values, which will result into 1 equals 1 times the quantity of 1 plus 1 over 2. We do the operations given, which will result in 1 equals 1. Now, as you can see, 1 equals 1 proves that our statement is true. For the second step, the induction step, first we let n equals k. Like on the first step, we would just substitute k to all the n values, which will give us 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to k equals k times the quantity of k plus 1 over 2. Now we will assume that n equals k is true. To continue, we let n equals k plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way up to k plus k plus 1 equals k plus 1 times the quantity of k plus 1 plus 1 over 2. Earlier we have assumed that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to k is equal to k times the quantity of k plus 1 over 2. So we're gonna replace that. It will give us k times the quantity of k plus 1 over 2 plus k plus 1 equals k plus 1 times k plus 2 over 2. Now since we have fractions, I will put 2 over 2 in that k plus 1 because 2 over 2 is equals to 1, which when times to k plus 1 will not change it at all. This will give us k times the quantity of k plus 1 over 2 plus 2 times the quantity of k plus 1 over 2. Now we only need to simplify the equation. K times the quantity of k plus 1 is equals to k squared plus k. 2 times the quantity of k plus 1 is equals to 2k plus 2. In the quantities k plus 1 and k plus 2, we will use the FOIL method, which will give us k squared plus 3k plus 2. We're gonna add k squared plus k into 2k plus 2. This will give us the final answer of k squared plus 3k plus 2 over 2 is equals to k squared plus 3k plus 2 over 2. Thus proving our statement 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to n equals to n times the quantity of n plus 1 over 2 as true.
So that's it. I hope you've learned something in this video. Have a nice day guys.